Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Vyapar and confirming the app is on version 4. X or later. This matters because older builds lack the scanner integration. Next, make sure camera permission is granted and enable barcode scanning under Settings right arrow device features so the option appears in invoices. Once done, choose between using the phone camera or pairing a Bluetooth scanner. Pairing gives faster reads. Finally, verify your product master has SKUs and a single barcode assigned. Because Vyapar, you open a new invoice and tap the scan icon. Hold the camera steady about 10 to 15 cm from the barcode to help autofocus and keep light even. When a code reads, Vyapar searches your product master. If it finds a match, the item populates the line automatically. If the code is unrecognized, press manual match and link it to the correct SKU so future scans auto-resolve. Also set default quantity and applicable tax slab now, because that prevents errors during checkout. You finish by reviewing the invoice lines, applying any discounts or rounding rules, and then select Save or Print, choose PDF or your paired Bluetooth printer. Once saved, Vyapar updates stock levels and syncs to cloud if enabled. Make sure sync completes so data stays consistent. If scans fail repeatedly, clean the camera lens, restart the app, or repair the Bluetooth scanner. This usually fixes misreads or connection drops. If issues persist, remap the barcode in Product Master to restore reliable scanning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.